Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start a new lesson in social studies, that is lesson 16, Revolt of 1857. In this chapter, we shall learn about the coming of the Portuguese and Dutch in India, the establishment of the British Raj in India, and the revolt of 1857. Look at this picture. Do you know who they are? They are some of the first people who united the whole of India to fight for freedom. Now, what does freedom mean? Why was India not free? Is it possible to unite the people of an entire vast country? How? These are the things that we are going to read in this chapter. Europeans come to India. Since ancient times, people from all over the world wanted to trade with India. Means बहुत ही पुराने समय से, एंशियंट टाइम्स मीन्स बहुत ही पौराणिक काल से, पुराने समय से सारी दुनिया के लोग चाहते थे इंडिया के साथ ट्रेड करना, यानी बिजनेस करना. इंडिया वॉज वंस कॉल्ड द गोल्डन बर्ड. सोने की चिड़िया कहा जाता था इंडिया को. एज इट वॉज अ प्रॉस्पेरस कंट्री. इट हैड अ लॉट ऑफ रिचेस, मिनरल वेल्थ एंड स्पाइसेस विच अट्रैक्टेड ट्रेडर्स. ऐसा क्या था इंडिया में जिस वजह से सब इंडिया के साथ ट्रेड करना चाहते थे? इंडिया वॉज वेरी रिच इन मिनरल वेल्थ. बहुत सारे मिनरल्स का खजाना था. स्पाइसेस यानी मसाले. And lot of riches. The Portuguese and the Dutch were the first Europeans to come to India. तो सबसे पहले इंडिया में कौन लोग आए थे? Portuguese and Dutch people were the first who came from Europe to India to trade India's famous silk, spices, gold and pearls. इंडिया से वो इन सब चीज़ों को ख़रीद कर ले जाना चाहते थे. सिल्क, स्पाइसेस यानी मसाले, गोल्ड एंड पर्ल्स. पर्ल्स यानी मोती. वास्को डे गामा, अ पोर्टुगीज मर्चेंट, was the first to discover the sea route to India. The Portuguese established their trade centers in South India. So you should remember this name, Vasco da Gama. He was a merchant. Merchant means businessman from Portugal. So he was a Portuguese merchant and he was the first to discover the sea route to India. Otherwise the route to come to India was not there. So he was the first who discovered a route through sea. Sea means समुद्र में से. The Portuguese established their trade centers in South India. Portuguese सबसे पहले इंडिया के किस पार्ट में पहुँचे? South India. Soon the Dutch, French and the British followed the Portuguese. In India, they began to fight among themselves to trade with the best quality goods found here. Finally, the British defeated the others and emerged as winners. So Dutch, French, British and Portuguese, these all countries came from Europe to India for trade and they started fighting among themselves. For what did they fight? That who will take the best quality goods from here. Finally, the British were the